Well, if there is someone judging you about you speaking English, like, oh my god, you speak English, you're showing off. And, well, you can answer like this, like, smile first and like, yeah, I speak English. And so what? Next time you feel shy speaking English in front of your friends, ask yourself this: am I scared of making a mistake? Or am I scared of being judged for trying? Most of us aren't scared of English. We are scared of being judged. Hi everyone and welcome back to From Thai to Try. I'm Pim and today I'm showing you how to audit your social identity so you can stop playing smart and start speaking with conviction. Let's step into it. In Thailand, we have two words. There is the inter-community, where we celebrate growth, open for English, and practice together. But then there is the traditional side. And honestly, that is where most of us live. It's the side where we worried about being too much or showing off in front of others. Well, I remember when I was in high school, and I love to speak English so much, but my friend don't want to speak English. So the only thing that I can do is just keep my English back to my throat and speak Thai instead because I'm afraid that people around me will judging me for showing off. And when the time the English class with foreigner teacher come, and that is my favorite time because I can speak and have the conversation in English by not afraid of judging from people around me. And to be honest, I'm not showing off. I was the number one student who did great in English class and become the helper for my teacher. So, thinking back to the high school, I really miss that feeling. My teacher was my only safe zone, but as I got older, I realized that I couldn't wait for a classroom or a teacher to give me permission to speak anymore. Life doesn't give you a foreigner teacher every day. So I need to become my own teacher. I have to create my life where English wasn't a subject but a lifestyle. And that's when everything changed. I stopped waiting for inter-community to find me. I started build it myself, right here in Bangkok. So how do we go from traditional side to the inter side when we don't have that teacher anymore? Well, it's about these three small shifts in your daily energy. One is reclaiming your digital space. If your friends in real life aren't ready to speak English, then find friends online. Here is 2026, and it's very easy to find friends online. So many countries, so many types of friends, like many applications that you can find, you can talk or you can call. Or if you are introvert, you can practice English with the AI. And there are so many models that can practice with you. You can shoot it. And number two, the English buddy. Whether it's your partner, a close friend, or just recording yourself like I'm doing right now, find one person that you are comfortable to speak English with. No judgment, just growth. And number three, owning the inter-level. Next time, if someone teases you for speaking English, don't shrink, just smile. Your growth is going to make someone uncomfortable, but that is okay because you aren't showing off. You are showing up for your future. So if you're stuck in that traditional side, feeling like you need to hide your voice, this is your side to let it out. You don't need a classroom. You need to shoot yourself. And I'm PM. This is From Thai to Try. Let's keep growing together. And see you in the next video. Don't forget to shoot yourself. Bye bye.